Hello everyone, happy Thursday. It's Lonnie in the shed pulling orders that I sold on eBay yesterday. Let's go ahead and get started. I don't want to waste a bunch of time. First up is a Lego set number 6864. Those are right down here. This one sold for, it's right here, $49.99. This Lego Superheroes set. What's it called? Batmobile and the Two-Face Chase. $49.99 plus shipping on top. The packs and stuff are sealed inside of the box. The box has been opened, but that's a really good sale right there. Okay, a viewer named Karina. Karina. I hope I'm saying that right. Karina. I think it's Karina. Bought two things from me yesterday, which is awesome. Actually, last night they bought it. One thing is this 3D mystery jigsaw puzzle. It's sealed. Solve the puzzle to solve the crime. So some of these puzzles, you have to solve the puzzle and then you get clues to some other thing that's going on. This isn't the only one like that. There's another puzzle I have that's similar to that. Testimony Tower. That sounds kind of fun. Anyway, I got $11.99 plus shipping for this, and then Karina also bought something else. Hang on, let me grab it. Okay, she also got one of these Men in Black Pieceworks card, which is basically like a costume card. It's not this one, but this one is cool. The sketch effects. I've had a few of those that have sold for good money. This one hasn't sold yet. Look, it's this horse. That's actually a hand-sketched horse on this card. Hand-sketched and numbered there from Xena Warrior Princess. But anyway, that's not the right binder. This is the one, hopefully. Here we go. This is Men in Black Pieceworks card. And this little patch of fabric right here is off of one of the suits that was in the movie. So, yeah. $5 for that, and it's going to ship with the puzzle, so the shipping is included. So thanks a lot, Karina. I appreciate the business. I really do. Sold some thread. Some more of this thread here. Two of them. These little things. Sibelia DMC color is ecru, I think, something like that. Two of them for $10 total, plus shipping on top. They're pretty light, so they just go in a little box. Probably be like a 6-ounce ship or something. Let me put this up. I sold some cards from the Sets A box. Let's see, which one is that? Some of these boxes I didn't label on both sides. So one of these. Right here. Here we go. The Phantom. It's buried under here somewhere. Oh wait, it's right here. These guys right here. It's from the movie The Phantom, set of cards. This is a really cheap one. $3.74 plus shipping on top for this. Sold another one of these razors. If y'all watch the channel on any kind of regular basis, you see me sell these things very frequently. I think I've got 18 or 19 of them left at this point. I've sold a bunch of them though. Oh, $13.99 free ship for this. Okay, I have some Harley Davidson clog type shoes here. They weren't in great condition. I got them really cheap. I think I paid like $1 for them or something like that a while back. Sold them for just $10. $10 plus shipping. $9.99 plus shipping on top for those. All right, we've got a video game that sold back here, an NES game called Castle of Dragon. This out the way, get in here. Castle of Dragon, should be over here, I guess. Not that stack. Must be in this stack. Oh, here it is. C's and D's over here. All right. Yeah. That's an interesting looking cover on this game, huh? Yeah, there's Gold Knight and there's Princess and a Dragon. Anyway, $10.99 plus shipping for this NES game. Sold one of these Batman statues. This one right here, BM1. And I got $49.99 for it at auction. This has been last week though. So here's the thing, okay? I didn't get paid right away on this auction, but the guy that won it messaged me a few times saying he needed a little more time to pay. And you know, I don't love that, but that communication, that contact, that meant a lot. I was like, okay, that's cool, man. Just pay it when you can. I'm cool with that. Like, he's keeping me involved, and you know, we're talking and stuff, and then he ended up paying for us. It's all good. You know, I get it. It's cool, but the ones I can't stand are when they don't say anything, you know, anything at all. So yeah, slow pay, but I got paid, and it was a nice sale. But I actually need to stock these on a different shelf back there, but I haven't yet. I listed these at the end of last week. These are those Batman automobilia cars. These are the ones that are not in the packaging with the magazines and stuff. You know, they have a little bit of wear and scuffs on the cases and whatnot, but I sold this one, and I think it's this one because the car looked right from the photo. And it's number 22. That's how I know it's right. $15 plus shipping on top for that one. Last item, I'm pulling two more of these Batman things. This is some kind of bat plane. It's called a Batwing. This is actually pretty neat. I like that. Almost looks like an X-Wing, but black. And then this is, what is this called? Beware the Batman animated series. It doesn't say what it is though. It's just a badass looking car. So anyway, he paid $25 per plus shipping on top for these. All right, this is stuff going out. How would I characterize these sales? Okay, you know, they're not, I'm not excited about it really, but they're not bad either. They're pretty good. Moving, one good thing, moving this much stuff out of the shed today, that's always a good thing, right? So yeah, let me pack this stuff up. Okay, another busy day with a lot of extraneous stuff I've had to take care of, family type stuff or whatever, but I have gotten some work done. Got all those orders out, of course, and then I got these guys listed. These are really cool. These are the loose ones. I have some other ones that are like sealed and packaged with the original magazines and stuff, but these are like these Batman models. Like, that's the car from the original TV series, and some of these little things are kind of scuffed up and stuff. Look at this boat, little bat boat. But yeah, all these models in these little plastic cubes. These are cool, and I've got a lot of them. I've got a bunch. I've sold, I think I've maybe sold about 6 of them so far or so. So they will definitely sell, because a lot of these that I'm putting up, they aren't available from other sellers anywhere. Let's see, I've already got these listed. Need to figure out how I'm going to store this stuff. But yeah, I think these are going to do well. I'm probably going to get a few more up tonight, maybe. That comes to, see, I'm selling these for 15 plus ship, like this. The other ones I'm selling for 25. This is going to come up to $255 in listings here. So I would like to get some more done. But I think I'm going to look at garage sales real quick. Hang on. Well, there's actually not a ton of garage sales, as it turns out, but I am going to go out in the morning anyways. It looks like maybe I can hit 6 or 7 yard sales, something like that. But I'm going to go ahead and pack, because the trouble I ran into last Friday was I went yard sailing and I got back and I had to hurry up and pack the stuff. I had a pretty good many orders going out. So I'm going to go ahead and try and get ahead of those orders now. Not that I have a ton that have sold today, but I do have a few things that have sold today. So I'm going to get that stuff packed up today and try and alleviate some stress from tomorrow. All right, let's go pull some more orders. Rally Around the Flag, miniature rules, for Civil War Battle Line Publications. This is one of those role-playing type books that I got in this lot here. And I think I might have a couple of these. Like that one's different. There, Rally Around the Flag. That's it right there. I just want to make sure. So I've got like some really old stuff, like from the 70s here. Yeah, that's not it. Just want to make sure I don't have any duplicates of that. It's been a while since I listed this stuff, and man, some of this stuff is pretty obscure. But the nice thing is, it's selling for good money. This is a $34.99 plus shipping on top for this little book. It's really thin too. It's like a booklet almost. So yeah, in general, role-playing stuff does really good. Role-playing books, I've done really well with role-playing books over the years. So highly recommend y'all pick that stuff up. All right, next up, this is a video game for Atari 2600. Real cheap little game. This is actually going to a viewer. Let's see. Yeah, it must be this one. Pac-Man. Iconic game. Low value, but that's fine. Let's see. $2.99 plus shipping for this Pac-Man game. That's one of the games that I originally put on this account when it was like brand new. It had like 0 feedback, and this is supposed to be a feedback builder. So actually the feedback is at like 160 now and growing pretty fast. So hey, thanks a lot for the sale. I appreciate it. All right, next up is this Iron Man 2 action figure, Walmart exclusive Iron Man Mark V. I took a best offer on this. Had it listed at $49.99. Took an offer of $40 plus shipping on top. It's pretty cool. Box has a little bit of wear to it, like you can see right there. But yeah, it's new in the box. All right, sold a cheap. This is all on the second account, of course. The stuff I've been going through. Although the second account has been kicking butt. It really has. This Army of Two PS3 game. $2.99 plus shipping on top. Okay, same buyer from, let's see, for the Pac-Man game, bought a razor. These are these little Eversharp Hydro Magic razors. I believe they're new old stock, made in USA. And you see how it has that it looks like a razor blade there. That's like a that's why I think they're new old stock. That is like a filler. It's not actually a razor blade. So you got to put your own razor blade in there. I don't think these have ever been used. I think they have a little bit of tarnish just from age. But yeah, I've done really well with these. It seems like I'm shipping 3 or 4 of these a week lately. So again, thank you, Leroy, for the business. I really appreciate it. Man, that's like 4 or 5 things you bought in the past couple of weeks. That's pretty cool. All right, that's all I've sold today so far. So I'm going to go ahead and get that packed up in preparation for hitting a few sales tomorrow. And just to kind of get a little bit ahead. I'll probably sell some more stuff tonight, I'm sure. This looks like, this is about $100 in sales right here. 40, 35, and then some cheaper stuff there. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and call it a night as far as the vlog is concerned. I will see y'all again tomorrow. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.